So under the bonnet, what you need to be able to check out for the test is always going to be your engine coolant, which is this one here. You're looking for the levels and putting the correct liquid in there. If it ever needs to be filled up, ask someone in a garage or someone who knows what they're talking about. That will be helpful. Got our brake fluid up here. You're looking at the different levels in between. Again, minimum, maximum, put the right stuff in it. If you've any issue with your coolant from inside the car, your temperature gauge will be going mad. If you've any issue from your brakes, your lights will probably be on and your brake will probably feel spongy underneath your foot. Your windscreen watcher is fairly handy. It's this one here. Sometimes on the sides of the bottles there will be levels, but you'll know by using the wipers inside that you need to fill that up. The oil then and the dipstick. So the dipstick is this one. How you check your oil is you make sure your car is on a level surface and it's been sitting for a while, so the oil is down the bottom of the engine. You take the dipstick out and you clean it because it's going to be covered in oil. You put it back in the same place, not in this one, the same place, and then you take it out and it's going to give you your level then between minimum and maximum. If it's below minimum or needs a top up, you put it through here where you pour your correct oil in. Again, find out the correct oil to put in it. Manufacturer's manual or a mechanic or something will help you out with that. That's pretty much it. For your own safety in here, always make sure your battery is kept clear and clean. That's basic maintenance under the bonnet that you need to keep an eye on.